today I get to my front door and they sent me 2 huge packages. One that's extremely heavy, like I've only ever used their fabric markers, so I have no idea what to expect and figured I'd do a fun unboxing video because, like I said, I thought they were going to send me a couple fabric markers, so I'm super excited to see what they actually did. If you want to go back and see what I have, what I've used with Tulip before, go to any of my videos where there's drawings on clothes. We tested so many different markers, and honestly, like, this is not sponsored, was not sponsored. Like, Tulip was hands down the best brand for it. It's lasting the longest. Okay, so first box. They wrote a cute card. That's so sweet. And holy moly. Okay. Fabric Fusion. Quick dry fabric fusion. I had no idea. Okay, so this is Aleene's. I guess it's their, let's see, their sister brand, Aleene, which I've actually never heard of, so this is really exciting. I guess Aleene sells a lot of stuff that has to do with sewing. So we got Fabric Fusions. Oh my god, Fabric Fusions. Okay, oh, and just so much fabric. Oh, adhesive sheets, adhesive tape, leather and suede glue. Wait, okay, I have used this stuff. I love this stuff. I've used it before when I used to make leather wallets. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Aleene, so much fabric fusion. I am gonna have to think of a project to use this with. I'm drooling. Ooh, embellishing. Okay, anyway, so exciting. Like, holy crap. Thank you, Tulip and Aleene's for this box. And then now I got this giant box, which, again, no idea what to expect. Oh my god, you guys. I cannot believe they sent all this stuff. Okay, so these are some of the fabric markers, which I love and can endorse because I've used these before and they're freaking awesome. You can wash and dry the fabric that you draw on and they stay really well. We got fabric spray paint. Wait, this is gonna be so fun. Tie-dye kit, which is sick. Now we have to have a tie-dye night. Tie-dye refills. There's a bunch of these like little balls that are wrapped. Fabric dye pods. Sick. Oh my god, Tulip, thank you so much. You didn't know this, but I want to dye some fabric and now I can. We got a bunch of fabric pods. The black one. Black is awesome. Okay, I will give you guys all my last little 21. This box is amazing. Some more fabric spray paint. I am gonna have to have a big craft night. Holy shit, you guys. What is this? Fabric paint. This is so cool. I am so excited for, I have so many projects in mind right now. Some graffiti markers and neon fabric markers. So sick. Extra fine markers. Oh my god, y'all. Oh, okay, these are the OGs. These are the ones I've been using forever and I freaking love. They sent me so many of the OGs. I freaking, so good. Fabric paint. What is this? What are these? These are fabric paints, but they have like these like fun little tips and there's neon. Holy shit. What? Tie-dye party. Y'all, I am gonna be tie-dyeing a lot of stuff. Ooh, these fabric paints are sick. And like the entire set of fabric markers. So freaking epic. Tulip, thank you so much. I am